Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A16, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings and then scroll to General Management, which is close to the bottom, and scroll down again and select Reset. Scroll down again and select Factory Data Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, so go over it, see if there isn't anything that you'd like to preserve, maybe things like photos, music, or user data. If there is, obviously make a copy. If there isn't, you can ignore this and scroll all the way down and select Reset. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. And additionally, if you have a Samsung account signed in, once you confirm the screen lock, you now need to also sign out of the Samsung account. That's not the case when you have a Google account, because I guess screw you Google users. And also I would say it's just annoying, because once you confirm pattern, why the hell would you need to also sign out? You already confirmed that you're the user. So in any case, we're going to select delete all right here. And like I mentioned, I don't have a Samsung account, so it automatically jumps to the next page, allows me to delete, and begins the process, which will take about 2 minutes to finish up, give or take. And once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.